Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Yusuf Kurniawan. Many people consider that learning English is hard and boring. As a non-native speaker of English, I also ever experienced that when I was still a student at junior high school. However, I think what made me bored at the time was not the English lessons, but the teachers instead. Selama ini, kita kalau buka kamus cuma untuk mencari tahu arti kata, bukan untuk mencari tahu bagaimana pengucapan atau pronunciation-nya. Maka banyak orang bisa berbahasa Inggris, tetapi pronunciation-nya masih banyak yang salah. Padahal, banyak sekali kosakata dalam bahasa Inggris yang mirip sekali pengucapannya, namun maknanya berbeda. Sehingga berpotensi menimbulkan ketidakjelasan informasi atau bahkan terjadi kesalahpahaman. Akhirnya, belajar bahasa Inggris menjadi sangat monoton dan membosankan bagi sebagian orang. Based on my experiences as English teacher and lecturer at the university for over 20 years, in my opinion, learning English is actually fun and exciting. In teaching English, I have much more concern in English pronunciation since it always becomes the first impression to anyone who hears you speaking in English. When people say, "Wow, your English is awesome," or maybe they say, "Your English is great," they actually refer to your pronunciation. Thus, in this first video, I'm going to discuss the very basic of English, namely the sounds of English. Have you ever heard the phrase? What does it mean? Sound here is similar to phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest unit of sound. So, the sounds of English is equal to the English phonemes. There are in total of 48 phonemes in English, comprising 24 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Each phoneme is represented by a phonetic symbol that refers to International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA. The International Phonetic Alphabet is an alphabetic system of phonetic notation based primarily on the Latin script. It was devised by the International Phonetic Association in the late 19th century as a standardized representation of speech sounds in written form. For your information, IPA found in a dictionary may differ from that in other dictionaries. But the ones I'm using here are those used in Oxford, Longman, and Cambridge dictionaries. The phonetic symbols used in these three dictionaries are similar. The first thing we have to know is that English language has more phonemes than Bahasa Indonesia in both vowel and consonant sounds. So far, you might not realize that. That's why we frequently consider several phonemes pronounced similarly. In this video, I will show and demonstrate how to pronounce the all 48 phonemes. Okay, let's see here. Berikut ini adalah daftar 24 bunyi vokal yang dibuat dalam simbol transkrip fonetis. Listen carefully. I will pronounce each phoneme here. 1. E. 2. E. 3. A. 4. A. 5. A. 6. A. 7. O. 8, all, 9, oo, 10, ooh, 11, 12, 13, a, 14, I, 15, oi, 16, ow, 17, o, 18, ear, 19, air, 20, a, 21, hour, 22, I, 23, o, and 24, oi. Oke. Berikutnya adalah daftar 24 bunyi konsonan yang terrepresentasikan dalam phonetic symbol. Listen carefully. I will pronounce each phoneme to you. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Oke. Coba perhatikan, kalau Anda simak, barangkali Anda berpikir bahwa kok sama ya simbol fonetik dengan huruf Latin, ya. Jadi memang selama ini di dalam proses belajar mengajar sering terjadi kesalahpahaman. Perlu diketahui bersama bahwa simbol-simbol yang tertera di yang tersebut tadi itu merupakan simbol fonetis dan bukan representasi huruf Latin, ya. Seperti misalnya bunyi I nomor 16, huruf konsonan, bunyi konsonan nomor 16, di situ simbolnya seperti huruf C. Tetapi bukan berarti kemudian itu dibaca ej, melainkan itu adalah representasi bunyi dari I. Ya, I. Seperti pada kata yellow misalnya. Ya. Well, what do you think? It's very exciting, isn't it? Well, to rehearse, please repeat to pronounce each sounds and then record your voice repeatedly. It's very important to you. English pronunciation is not something totally gifted, but this is something that can be learned by anyone, regardless where he or she comes from, as non-native speakers of English. Jadi ini merupakan salah satu alasan kenapa saya membuat video ini, bahwa pronunciation merupakan sebuah proficiency, satu keahlian yang dapat diperoleh oleh siapapun. Siapapun Anda, ya, dari manapun Anda berasal, no matter where you come from, sebagai non-native speaker of English. Ada orang yang mengatakan bahwa pronunciation itu gifted, talenta, sesuatu yang terberikan, ya, sejak lahir. I disagree with that. although it might be correct for some cases, but it is not totally correct. Everyone can have correct and good pronunciation. Okay? In the next videos, I'm going to teach you how to practice each sounds accompanied with examples. Jika menurut Anda video ini bermanfaat, silahkan like dan subscribe serta nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya agar Anda tidak ketinggalan video-video saya berikutnya. Before leaving, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!